Hello students. See, this is disarmament. Disarmament long question asle lekhiyo kemte English re kochi suno. So actually ଆମର human security lesson ଅଛି. Human security two types, traditional human security and non-traditional security. I'm ଭିତରେ traditional security ରେ तुमको disarmament arm race arm control आएगा. तो disarmament माने कौन? Stop the production. It's a policy to stop the production, test and use of weapons of mass destruction, or you can write it like this: disarmament means elimination, reduction and control of armaments for the purpose of ending armament race or arm race. Why this is required? It is important for following reasons. Reason number 1, to avoid war. Number 2, reduce tension in the international relation. Number 3, maintain good relation among the states. So for all these three reasons, we have taken. See, there are also other here again: to maintain global peace. You can write to avoid war means to maintain global peace, to protect human right, or to protect environment, or to maintain good relationship among the world countries, or to avoid cold war. So I have told three, and here are also 5 points you can write. Then you should move after introduction. You must write this much in introduction, then move towards the key points. What steps taken for disarmament? This chapter is very crucial for you, not just for the long questions, but it covers a lot of 1, 2, and 3 mark questions. You can see the points like this: NTP, okay, NPT, SALT, START, CTBT, and different other or conferences. See the first step what is taken. We will go one by one serially. Okay. Actually, the first step forward disarmament started when the Disarmament Commission was set up. First time 1922, then in 1952 it was reformed, and then the task of disarmament continued to be very speed up. In between, in 1932, you can see the Geneva Conference, then 1935 London Naval Conference. All these are made with a view to reduce the arm production and test and use. Okay, so but after 1945 establishment of serious steps were taken in this regard. That is due to the formation of Disarmament Commission, the reformed I said in 1952, and then the second Geneva Conference was also made to work out the previous Geneva Conference agreements. Then NPT, Non-Proliferation Treaty, was formed in 1968. This was very crucial. Okay, the Treaty of Non-Proliferation of Nuclear Weapons, commonly known as NPT. It was signed in 68, and here Moscow, Washington, both together. That means Russia and USA rectified certain things. They are the signatories. They have decided not to possess nuclear powers and giving protection to non-nuclear states. Then this SALT 1 was signed between USA and Russia. Okay, SALT 1 in 1972 it was on the same date when Simla agreement was signed. Next, SALT 2 was again signed in 1979. Okay, so the main objective of this agreement is to limitation in the production of missile launchers and other destructive weapons. Similarly, afterwards, START was started. START 1 was signed in 1991, and then START 2 was signed on 3rd January 1993. Okay, so in 3rd January, in START 2, Russia president and American president decided to stop the or reduce the stock of nuclear weapons. It was decided there. Then comes two more treaties that are PTBT, Partial Test Ban Treaty, in 1963 between England, Soviet Union means Russia, and America to prohibit the nuclear test. Then in CTBT is another in 1996. This was signed in 1996. Actually, 1994 it was formed, but it brought into use from September 1996. This is very important one for 2 marks and 3 marks. Okay, I have made separate video for CTBT. You can see there. So here, what is designed? This is called Comprehensive Test Ban Treaty. The treaty was approved by 158 voters. 5 countries obtained. India voted against this. India, Pakistan, both are voted against this. You understand? This treaty is meant to make a ban on all kinds of nuclear weapons, test explosions, and the treaty would enter into force 180 days after it was ratified. It was ratified by 44 countries, then it was implemented. So it took 180 days. So this much is not necessary. Main objective we have done. Objective is to ban all nuclear tests and cutting down the production of missile materials. Remember this. And to reduce the production use of test of what nuclear weapons or nuclear powers. Okay, students, if this is the long question, then you have to make the points like this. What after what, you have to make a mind setup that if this comes, I will begin with human security, types of human security, then it comes under non-traditional security, then when the process started, then what are the conferences held, then what are the treaties signed. Okay, okay, students, thank you very much for watching.